Guys sa Tinoyan Falls. May karoon na rin sa crossing pa incentive.
For today's video guys, so palibig dahil may karoon sa Surigao del Sur kahit mag-rides me. So nakapit sa demi dere guys sa San Francisco kahit namin inatan kadali. So mao ni ako mga kauban day guys, akong batsmith 5 demi kabutor. So ang uban nagulat dito sa Barubo. So tara, let's go.
Like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something in the way she moves keeps pulling at my chain. Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride, leaving behind what I hold inside. If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
Kung nakabot ni diri guys sa Hinatuan, sumoni ang Hinatuan Surigao del Sur. So nagpicture kadali.
Like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named.
Mauna dahil niyang Bislig Surigao del Sur guys. So medyo layo pa mong padulngan sa Tinoyan Falls. Ang kapit sa middle kadali kay nag picture so mo niyang Bislig day guys. So indot po siya. Shout out po day ko ani akong mga batsmith ni akong kauban nag rides. Bye bye.